This is the ROSWHEEL Offroad bottle pouch. It's a welded pack with a roll top and a single buckle opening. It uses 2 gear straps or 3 to fix to the handlebars and the fork of the bike, and it can also be fitted to other bags in our range, such as the seat pack and the handlebar bag. Inside the package you'll find the bottle pouch, 1 550mm gear strap and 2 200mm gear straps. To fit the bottle pouch, the first thing you do is turn both the bottle pouch and the strap the other way around and fix the strap through this rear slot in the hypalon like this. Pull it all the way through. Then put the bottle pouch generally into position. Take the strap, feed it through the buckle, pull it as tight as you can and feed the excess strap into the slot behind. So next, take your 550mm strap and feed it into the slot on the base of the bag. Pull it all the way through, almost. Feed it under the fork, through the buckle, pull tight. You can adjust the strap if the buckle's too close to the fork. Like so. And with the excess strap, you can feed it back under the fork, through the loop. And if you still have a bit of excess, you can feed it back through the buckle. Usually the 2 strap fixing is enough, but if you want to secure your bottle pouch into the stem, you can use the second 200mm strap, feed it backwards through the slot in the side, like so. Place the strap around, through the buckle, over the top, fix tightly and place the excess strap into the slot. The pouch can be used in 2 configurations. First, it can be used once or twice rolled for snacks or other things that you want to keep away from water, or in a semi-open position like this, where a bottle up to 30 ounces or 1 litre, or with a maximum diameter of 9 centimetres, can be held. You can fit the bottle pouch onto our larger packs like the seat pack using the molly system that's on the side of the bag. And here's the bottle pouch fixed onto the molly system of the handlebar bag, making snacks and water easy to access.